Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is AP, also known as Artistic Punk, but my real name is Kania. How are you guys doing? How was your day? So today I will be doing a little spend the day with me, and it was pretty busy. Literally I was doing something the whole day. So this is my first time actually doing a to-do list on paper, and I honestly loved it because I usually do it on my phone, but your girl be procrastinating on her phone, so we're just not gonna do that. No. So today we're doing a new character drawing doodling thing, and then we're gonna be making some new line art for my coloring book. I believe we're also gonna be doing like some video editing for my coloring book for shorts, and then we're doing something else. I kind of forgot. What is it? What are we doing? Oh, we gotta finish some business cards, y'all. I forgot. I really forgot we have to make those business cards. So right here, we're gonna go to Milanotes. I don't know if you guys have heard of it. It's really good, and it's really good if you're like, trying to do something, trying to be organized. And I'm a big organizer. I love to organize stuff. So right here is all of my references that I was gonna use for my coloring book. All the colors, all the references is just amazing. You can basically drag images from Pinterest onto Milanotes, and it's so cool. And right here you can like pick what kind of template you want to use. I was doing an empty one because I was just going to drag some images from Pinterest, and don't mind my Pinterest and don't mind SpongeBob. I was doing some art for some SpongeBob. We're not going to talk about that. And I was looking up some anime cats because I was trying to doodle some cats, and I'm gonna let y'all go right here. So here we're kind of like organizing it. You're able to do that, and you can like size up or size down, and then you guys are gonna see me look up something else because I realized that I don't like cats. Like, I'm actually highly allergic to cats. So I was like, why am I looking up some cats when I don't even like cats? So then you guys are gonna see me look up some dogs and like foxes and stuff. I don't know why. Like, honestly, that one with the fire on top of his head was like super cute, and I was like, okay. But then I was like, I don't like cats. Like, I'm just not a cat person. Just not a cat person at all. And then I saw this picture right here, and you guys, it is so pretty. Whoever did that, they did that. And then I got distracted, and I was looking at other images here because look at this. All of this is basically my art, and I love it because why is it so pretty? Like, look at it. So right here, we're going to be listening to some new jeans. I've been loving them. I've been listening to K-pop for like ever. And then we're going to go ahead and get to editing. Okay, so this right here is for a coloring book that I'm trying to drop later on in the year. But quick question, you guys. Are you guys interested in like speed paints like this, or the way I usually do my speed paints? Just let me know in the comments because I will always read them and I will always reply and give you guys some love. But I just want to let you guys know that this is the end of my little chattering, and I hope that you guys like the video. Give it a like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Capcut.